Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Update Windows and your graphics driver now. You need current system files because many crashes come from outdated components. Once done, choose a high-performance power plan and disable game mode temporarily to avoid background throttling. You'll also run a clean driver install from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Select the clean option to remove corrupt remnants. These immediate steps eliminate common conflicts and prepare your PC for deeper diagnostics. Now you adjust game and system settings to reproduce stability. You lower in-game graphics to medium and cap FPS to your display's refresh rate. This reduces stress on GPU and RAM. Once done, verify game files through Steam, Epic, or the Microsoft Store to fix corrupt assets. You should also open Event Viewer and search for application errors during the crash, write down error codes and faulting modules. These clues direct you to driver, DirectX, or shader issues that require targeted fixes. Finish by repairing runtime components and removing hardware tweaks. You update DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables, then disable any CPU/GPU overclocks and reset BIOS to defaults because unstable clocks cause random crashes. Once done, test RAM by running the game with one memory module, which isolates bad sticks. If crashes persist, perform a clean boot or revert to a recent system restore point to undo software conflicts. If that still fails, the key troubleshooting tip is to check Event Viewer error.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.